All riders may have your kind attention, please. We'll just call for a photograph after IG arrives.
गाड़ी ले जाओ, गाड़ी आपका नाम और आपको
इंद्र कुमार सलाम। हमारा क्लब है द क्लासिक बैकपैकर्स मोटरसाइकिल क्लब CBMC। Actually, this is not under Har Ghar Tiranga. It is a tribute rally to the success of Operation Sindoor. हमारा मणिपुर से हमारा भाई शहीद हुआ था, दीपक चिंखाम भी शहीद हुआ था। इसको हम ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को लेके इसका सक्सेस और जो बलिदान दिया था इसको ट्रिब्यूट करने के लिए रैली है।
और कहाँ से कहाँ तक?
ये यहाँ मार्जिंग पोलो स्टेचू है ना, ये जगह, ये पार्किंग से लेके न्यू कैथल मानवी 9 हेडक्वार्टर Assam Rifles.
Ride very slowly as we have already seen plenty of accidents, such kind of events. Thank you.
And then turn towards Ima Cafe because there is a market going on there. Riders going there will disturb the whole thing. So thereafter we turn towards Patsoi, Khumbong. There is a T junction, and over there you will be directed to move inside where the garrison is. Total route is about 29 kilometers. So please be careful. There will be an escort vehicle in front, and please follow it. In case you miss out somewhere, you know the destination, reach this destination. Independence Day celebration, and it is a special occasion for us because we are also celebrating the victory of Operation Sindoor. Another 2 to 3 minutes, we'll have the IGR South. This will be one of the memorable photographs and the iconic location to start the ride.
All riders, please come forward this side.
Honored to have amongst us Major General Raghup Singh, Youth Seva Medal, Sena Medal. This day holds a special relevance as we are celebrating not only 79 glorious years of freedom,
Okay, so great to see you all in the spirit of Imphal early in the morning, and all of you so excited. I wish I could have been part of you. And my compliments to all of you to have come out in the morning and joined us. And the girls who are joining us as part of this rally. Hats off to you all, ma'am. Wonderful to you. And our best wishes. Have a very safe ride.
Bike rally give to the people of Manipur.
So as part of our 79th Independence Day celebration and mission Har Ghar Tiranga, you've seen all these 130 odd bikers who have come here and the spirit of Manipur is alive and kicking. I am so happy
Now may
and
I
proud
request all the
to see
participants to please prepare
all
for
these
the ride.
riders who have come out early in the morning. I've seen some ladies who have joined us here for this bike rally. And through this bike rally, we want to spread the message of peace and harmony. And we're so proud that people in such large numbers are coming up. That means people are so excited to be participating in this wonderful experience. And I wish all the best to all the riders to have a very safe and happy riding from here till Ketalmambi. Thank you.
And sir, today, yes, we have been celebrating 79th Independence Day. But yes, you might be knowing about the present situation of Manipur. So, from the side of forces, what kind of initiative will be taken to?
We are always there for peace and harmony, and anything which is required for this side to achieve that, the armed forces are always ready and prepared for that.
Okay,
Thank you.
May I now request Major General Raghuv Singh, Youth Server Medal, Sena Medal, IJR South, to kindly flag us the bike rally.